3 places, and an attempt to step outside the noise.
Just don't get it.
Even if what I stepped into was, well, kind of weird. Where else would you find Smurfs? Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you know, I love living in Dubai. It is a fantastic city. It's vibrant, there's always things to do, but sometimes living in such a busy city, I just need space and I need time to immerse myself in nature. And the great thing is about living in Dubai is that you don't have to leave Dubai to find nature. It's actually all around us. You just need to know where to go and find it. I've only been on my scooter for about 10 minutes, and even though I'm still in the middle of the city, as you can see with the skyline right behind me, it is already starting to feel quieter. It's going to be a beautiful day. Right, not far until we reach our first location of the day. Let's go. Ras Al Khor Nature Sanctuary. It sits right on the edge of Dubai Creek, and this wetland has been protected since 1985, surrounded by highways and towers, and yet, somehow, nature holds its ground. Here is one of the few places that you can watch thousands of flamingos against a backdrop of a city skyline. Whoa! Oh my God, that's amazing! There's just something so peaceful about watching birds, especially flamingos. And 10 minutes away from the wetlands is a place that, well, is nature-based. They built this flowering wonderland in the middle of the desert, Miracle Garden, which houses 150 million flowers. I didn't count them all, but I could certainly believe it. Such a nice lemon scent. Now, I usually avoid places like this. Too many people, well, too much of everything, really. Unbelievable. Oh my God. I don't know if it's genius or, well, just madness. But this place, it's like nature on steroids. So strange. It's so odd. I just don't get it. Sometimes it takes something so surreal to snap you out of your own head and thoughts. And this place doesn't try to make sense, and I think that's the point. It's random, it's colourful, and completely unexpected. And it is in this randomness that you just forget all of the chaos, all of the busyness of the city, and you can smile. There's joy in the unexpected moments. And I've switched off, I've smiled, I've laughed at the absurdity of this place. And that's the point, right? Definitely a place worth visiting. Right next door to Miracle Garden, the madness continues. And inside these domes, there are 15,000 butterflies. These butterflies have decided that oranges are their food of choice. It's amazing. They're so gentle. What beautiful creatures. Oh, you can take flight, it's okay. And aside from the oranges, these butterflies will happily land on your hands and occasionally your face. A little bit. It's not stunning, it's not wild, but it's quiet. And watching these butterflies in flight is weirdly kind of relaxing. Okay, so none of these three places are wild in the usual sense. They're built, designed and engineered. Sometimes you don't need perfect nature. You can enjoy watching birds, butterflies and even a 30-foot penguin. Sometimes nature comes in all different shapes and sizes. Come on, you have to admit that sometimes weird and colourful is just what you need. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.